Have you ever wondered why some people have melted connectors on the SURRONs and some never get any problems even if they discharge with 250 amps? So this is battery side and this no, this is SURRON side and this is battery side. So all you can do is put them together. Pretty snug sound, looks good, but if you watch, you see this? There's a little bit of play. And this makes a bad connection, high resistance on tiny parts of the connector inside, and then it gets too hot and melts your connector. It feels like it's snug, but it isn't. If you check your battery connection and you push it in and you can't move without any play at all, then everything is fine. But when you have a little movement, you can fix this easy by yourself. Just simply on your battery push inside something bigger than this diameter and bend them a little bit, just a tiny bit more open, and the connector will sit flush.